have here is a S4 keg from a 13B from a rx7 FC S4. Those are all the parts. If anyone needs extra parts for his FC from 86 to 88, let me know. Those are the extra parts I have. They're trash. Also from this one, the irons are gonna be trash. Oil pan is gonna be trash. I don't know about the housing. But if anyone needs extra parts, let me know. Mainly on this one, what I need is the eccentric shaft and the rotors. But yeah, those are all the other parts. This is how it looks. So if anyone needs parts for this rx7 86 to 88 S4, let me know. All this is trash for me, so if anyone needs parts, let me know.